Hey, juice lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode of quick and delicious recipes. Ready for a delicious, speedy juice recipe? This one is perfect for those busy mornings or when you need a refreshing pick-me-up during the day. Today, I'm bringing you a refreshing and fruity drink that's been making waves all over the USA. It's not just tasty, but also packed with vitamins and nutrients. And guess what? You can whip it up in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, only 3 minutes to a glass of pure bliss. Let's dive in. First, let's gather our ingredients. This is the fun part where you get to see all the vibrant colors and fresh produce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 juicy orange, 1 crisp apple. You'll need 1 juicy orange, 1 crisp apple, and make sure they are fresh for the best flavor. 4 to 5 fresh strawberries, which add a lovely sweetness and a beautiful color to our juice, and the juice of half a lemon. This will give our juice a nice tangy kick and balance out the sweetness. If you like a little extra sweetness, grab a spoon of honey. Honey not only sweetens but also adds a depth of flavor. And don't forget water or ice for blending. This will help achieve the perfect consistency. Got it all? Great, let's move on. Now, it's time to blend it all up. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to blend it all up. Start by chopping your fruits into manageable pieces. This makes it easier for your blender to process everything smoothly. Add them to your blender, followed by the lemon juice. The citrus will help to brighten up the flavors. Pour in some water or toss in a few ice cubes, and if you're using honey, add that in too. The ice will make your juice extra refreshing. Blend everything on high for about 30 seconds. You want to make sure everything is well combined and smooth. Look at that creamy, fruity goodness. It's like a burst of sunshine in a glass. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain your juice, but it's totally optional. Some people love the extra fiber from the pulp. Alright, let's serve this beauty. Pour your juice into your favorite glass. Presentation is key, and it makes the experience even more enjoyable. Want to take it up a notch? Add a sprig of mint or a slice of fruit on top for that extra pop of flavor and color. It's all about those little details. Here's a pro tip: sprinkle a pinch of sea salt into your juice. It naturally boosts the flavor and makes everything taste even better. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If you love this quick and fruity juice hack, don't forget to hit that like button and comment below with your favorite fruit mix. I love hearing your creative combinations. And hey, subscribe to my channel for more amazing juice and coffee recipes every week. There's always something new and exciting to try. Turn on the bell so you're the first to catch every new video. You don't want to miss out on any of the deliciousness. Cheers to tasty, refreshing juice in just 3 minutes. Enjoy every sip and stay refreshed.